There's Jessica, and she got finished replacing the cam sensor. Let me zoom in. Anyway, cam sensor on the 7.3, which is actually buried way the heck down there behind that pulley. She's got done replacing that thing. She could crawl underneath here.
The cardboard's still under there.
And of course, it's all ice and snow. So it's a lot easier to lay in the cardboard. Here comes the test. At a no start. No start before. Well, here comes the moment of truth. There we go. Just like new, but actually better than new because it's one of the old 7.3s. Any idea? It's a real pain to get to. And they die about every 10-15 years. So. Number 3 in 30 years.